How cool was that? That was all done by AI. Let me tell you why you want to consider creating these kind of videos too. Well, these AI cat boxing shorts have been going crazy viral on YouTube. They are getting millions up on millions of views. It is just insane. Just look here. 81 million, 118 million, 5.6 million, 55 million, 82 million, 9.4 million, and a staggering 132 million views. Yeah, these cat story videos have a mass appeal. So you want to be able to do this too and get millions of views and dollars? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI cat boxing stories and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay guys, just look at this channel right here, CapCut. They make a lot of cat story videos. They have over 1.4 million subscribers, and they have accumulated over 228 million views. And one of their most viewed videos is the AI cat boxing story short. It has over 81 million views. Let's take a look at it and analyze it. Okay, stop it right there. I know how they do it. They simply show a slideshow of images with a duration of 2 seconds each, and as the background music, they use a Bongo Cat song. So let's get started ourselves. The first step is to take a screenshot from a frame of a viral AI cat boxing story video like this. Now crop it like this. Now we go to Chat-GPT and ask something along the lines of, "Please give me image prompts so I can illustrate a story about a cat boxing, a revenge story about a cat who is boxing. Use this image as your inspiration for the image style. If you have any questions, just ask. And be sure to add the screenshot image." Okay, nice. Now we can use the prompt in, for example, Leonardo AI and image generator to generate the images. Simply copy the first prompt and add it to Leonardo AI. But wow, it seems ChatGPT did not a really great job. So if ChatGPT also had a bad day for you and forgot to add the character description, just ask the following. Please add the image style like I've shown you in the example image, plus describe the cats every time. So you cannot just say cat, but you have to say what color it has, etc. That way there are different and consistent characters in the story. Okay, that is perfect. Now we can generate it again. But since I have a Midjourney subscription, I'm going to generate the image there. Be sure to generate the images in either 9x16 or 1x1. But I would suggest to make them vertical, so 9x16 because that looks nicer. Okay, watch me generate all the images by copy and paste the prompts from ChatGPT. And guys, I highly recommend to double check the prompts, and if needed, change the prompts to get even better results. That is all up to you. Like if you do not like the image style, you could go ahead and ask for a different style. Or in the case of Leonardo AI, simply go ahead and change the fine-tune model, like I've told you in many previous videos. Okay, now I am going to upscale the images, and I will not upscale one image per prompt. Now I will upscale the best of the 4. And if 4 are looking great, I will upscale all 4. Why? Because why not? And you are better off having too much footage than too little when you are in the editing process. Okay, now download the images. Next up, we are going to open up a new project in CapCut. Now, before adding the images, make sure that you have the following in your settings. When you go to your CapCut settings and go to Edit, make sure that the image duration is set to 2 seconds and press Save. Now we can safely drag and drop the boxing cat images there. Now go ahead and rearrange the images in chronological order so that it matches the story. Now click on an image and go to Animation and choose a nice animation like the Zoom 1 animation. And now also add some animations to the rest of the images. To keep it simple and easy, I am going to add the Zoom 1 and Zoom 2 animation to all the clips, but I'm going to switch between them every time. Next up, we are going to add transitions. Go to Transitions and add transitions between all the images. And guys, to keep things simple, I will put this slide left transition everywhere. And now it is time we are going to add the background music. There are several ways of going about this. The most easy way to do this is to download the viral AI cat boxing story short and extract the audio and use the exact same audio. This way you will benefit greatly from the music being already familiar to the people, and therefore your viral potential will be greater. Another option is to add some copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library, for example. But you could also consider creating that cat music yourself. So let's do that. We are first going to download this meow sound effect. I am using the 4K video downloader to extract the audio and download it, but you could use any other free-to-use YouTube MP3 converter, of course. Now we are going to open FL Studio. It is an amazing audio editing software. Now drop the meow sound effect in the timeline. Now open the mixer and add Edison. Now click on record like this and play the song and make sure it is playing the meow sound. Now press record again to stop the recording. Next, we are going to drag the recorded meow sound in the playlist like this. Now add the plugin called Direct Wave. Now select Direct Wave and the meow sound we just recorded and drag the meow sound into Direct Wave. Now go to Sample and change the end and starting point like this. Next up, we are going to do a right-click on Direct Wave and press Piano Roll. Now add some notes and play them. Have some fun and create a nice melody. When you are done, we are going to add some effect to it. Click here and press Route to Free Mixer Track. And now add a nice effect, like the reverb effect. Now add the pattern with the meow sound melody to the playlist. Next up, we are going to create a simple EDM beat like this. And do this on a new pattern, of course. Just follow me. Add this new pattern with the EDM beat also to the playlist. Perfect. Now add some random meow sounds and add anything you would like. Now select everything and export it as an MP3. This music we just made is the kind Bongo Cat also makes. And if you want more in-depth information about how to make Bongo Cat songs, I highly recommend you watch this video I made a couple of weeks back. Now add the music you created to the CapCut project. To avoid people stealing your content, you could consider adding a watermark like this. As a final touch, we are going to add the vivid and center light filter and change the intensity to our liking. And that's it. Now export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create, have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.